everyone. This is Miller, the owner of Jewelry Packaging Mall, your ultimate online platform for all your jewelry packaging needs. Whether you're a gemstone jeweler, a retail jeweler, or even just looking for the perfect way to store and display your precious pieces, Jewelry Packaging Mall has got you covered. With our user-friendly website and easy-to-navigate interface, finding and purchasing the perfect jewelry packaging products has never been easier. All you need is a few clicks, and you'll be on your way to enhancing the presentation of your jewelry collection. One of the things that sets Jewelry Packaging Mall apart from other online shops is our no minimum order quantity policy. Whether you need just one piece of jewelry packaging or a bulk order, we are here to accommodate your needs. This means that whether you're a small independent jeweler or a chain store retailer, you can just buy what you need to use at the moment. We understand the importance of timeliness in the jewelry industry. That's why we have our entire inventory of jewelry packaging products in stock, ready for immediate shipment. No more long waiting time for your order to arrive. With Jewelry Packaging Mall, you can expect a prompt delivery and start using your new packaging right away. Another advantage of choosing Jewelry Packaging Mall is our factory direct pricing. By cutting out all intermediate importers and wholesalers, we are able to offer you the most competitive prices on the market. We believe that everyone should have access to high-quality jewelry packaging products at affordable prices, and we have made it our mission to make this possible. When it comes to variety, Jewelry Packaging Mall has got you covered. Our extensive collection includes everything from jewelry packaging boxes, jewelry displays, showcase trays, pouches, shopping bags, tools, and equipment to jewelry rolls and much more. No matter what your specific needs are, you can find it all in one place. And don't worry about limitations on geographic location. We offer worldwide shipping, so no matter where you are in the world, you can enjoy the convenience of shopping at Jewelry Packaging Mall and have your order delivered right to your doorstep. So why wait? Visit our website, www.jewelrypackagingmall.com, and explore our extensive range of jewelry packaging products.